Hey guys, and some big news coming on the release and pre-orders date of the iPhone 12 series, some new information on the final naming of iPhone 12 family, and a live image of 5.4 inches smallest iPhone 12 dummy device. So according to a reliable leaker, this is the final naming of iPhone 12 series, is 6.7 inches iPhone 12 Pro Max. There are two 6.1 inches iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12, and finally the smallest 5.4 inches will be called the iPhone 12 mini. And this too makes sense because the iPhone 11 is like 6.1 inch smartphone, so its successor should be at least 6.1 inch iPhone, not a small 5.4 inch model. So yeah, the iPhone 12 mini is, you can say, brand new series phone, different from last year's iPhone, and it's gonna sell like hotcakes for sure. Now as per the latest leaks, all the iPhones are getting same size notch, however the iPhone 12 mini is an exception to this. The new iPhone 12 mini is getting a small notch, and that's cause of a small form factor. You cannot shrink a phone without shrinking the notch size. See, if they use same notch size, then there will be a small room for status icons, date and time, so a small notch for the iPhone 12 mini this time. Some leaks are the iPhone 12 mini may also get a little curved display on front like this. This is like a 2.5D curve which was also there in the Pixel 2 XL, and this information is confirmed by Ming Chi Kuo as well, so this looks good. Here are some live dummy images of iPhone 12 mini shared on Chinese social platform Weibo, and you can see how small it is. You will see a same bezel-less design with symmetrical side and bottom chin and a small notch. So this makes the iPhone 12 mini get more screen to body ratio. Here's a comparison of the new iPhone SE versus the iPhone 12 mini, and you can see how small this beast is. Apple is using OLED displays in all the iPhone 12 this year, so a huge upgrade over the LCD iPhone 11. See, only 60Hz and no 120Hz is quite disappointing, but yeah, that's what it is. There's no hope left as per leakers. Some news on the final launch information of the iPhone 12 series. They are coming on 13 October, and the pre-orders of the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 will kick starting 16th next month and in stores on 23rd October. So yeah, this is about the 5.4 inch iPhone 12 mini and 6.1 inch iPhone 12. The Pro and Pro Max pre-orders will start in November, and so will be the shipping. So yeah, I'm really excited about these iPhones. Which one would you choose? This video is sponsored by Wondershare Dr. Phone. It's a complete solution for your iOS and Android system problems like boot loop, data transfer, data recovery, white/black screen of death. You can back up your data like WhatsApp data or images, videos. They are also running a contest where you can just vote and answer a question about your iOS 14 update experience, and you can get a chance to win a brand new iPhone 12. Those who participate will also get 40% off on Dr. Phone. If you are scared to update your iPhone to iOS 14, or you want to downgrade back to iOS 13, or you are facing any sort of problems, they'll help you in all sort of scenarios. You can download it for Windows or Mac, and it works on iPhones, iPad and any other iOS devices. You can also check for a free trial in case you want to try it. The interface is really simple and easy to use. Check description for more information. That's all. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.